Myself, Rahul Kushwa, pursuing first year MMS from SS Institute of Management Studies. Today, my topic is supply chain of management. First, I will introduce about the supply chain of change of management. Supply chain of management is the flow of goods and services between business and location, and includes the movements and storage of raw material, work in process inventory and of finished goods, as well as end-to-end fulfillment from point of origin of point of consumption. Here we can see the supply of chain of management rotation, raw materials, suppliers, manufacturing, distribution, retail location, afterwards customer. Definition: the supply chain is defined as the entire processes of making and selling of commercial goods, including every stage from the supply of materials and the manufacture of goods through to their distribution and sales. Successfully Successfully managing a supply chain is essential to any company hoping to compete. Brief explanation about the supply of change of management. The supply change of management, how the supplier uh, manage 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 their customers. First, the production flow through the supplier to producer, producer to the customers. In 1982, the Kate Oliver, a consultant of Booz Allen Hamilton, introduced the term supply chain management to the public domain in an interview for their financial term in 1983. The Wirtschaft Watch in Germany published for the first time the result of an implement and so-called supply chain management project led by Wolfgang Potts. In the mid 1990s, more than a decade later, the term supply chain management gained currency with when a flurry of articles and books come out on the subject. Supply chains were originally defined as encompassing all activities associated with the flow and transformation of goods from raw material through the end user, as well as the associated information flows. Supply chain management was then further defined as the integration of supply chain activities to improve a supply chain relationship to achieve a competitive advantage. In the late 1990s, supply chain management rose to prominence and operation manager began to use it the titles with increased regulatory. Other commodity accepted and definition of supply chain management includes the management of upstream and downstream value added flows of materials, final of materials and final goods and related information among supplier company, reseller and the final consumer. There are few advantages of supply chain management. Cost efficiency, enhance output, avoid delay in process, easily identify problems area, better collaboration. Cost efficiency. The cost efficiency is the main advantage of supply chain management. Supply chain management assists in attending a cost efficiency within the organization. It aims to optimizing all the process of business which bring down the production cost, packaging cost, warehousing, transportation costs. Enhance output. The enhanced output is the concept of a chain management aims at maximize the overall production of business. Supply managers monitor all the production processes and ensure that all resources are efficiently utilized. Any wastage of resources is avoided, which lead to maximize the overall output. Avoids a delay in processes. Prevention any delay of business process is one of the major advantage of supply chain management. Supply chain management ensures that all materials are timely acquired with facility in uninterrupted production of products. Also, they regulate all the deliveries and the logistics service of business with promoted delivery at the right time at the right locations, thereby the avoiding any delay. Easily identify the problems area. The main advantages of supply chain management is identifying the problems area. The supply chain management enables the business in recognizing its issues that are adversely affected its reputation and profitability. Managers can easily track the performance of every department and identify which one is lacking in delivering its duties. Better collaboration. The process of supply chain management brings a better collaboration among the distant parties of business. It focuses on developing a proper communication channels with the business for avoiding of for confusion or disputes. Smooth flow of information among all stakeholders like employers, customers, suppliers, and the distribution enhance the understanding, which leads to a better collaboration. There are also a few disadvantages of supply of management. Expensive to implement. Complicated, lack of coordination among department, requires a trained and personalized staff, lack of reliability. Expensive to implement. Major limitation of process of supply chain management is that it quite expensive to implement. It requires a large investment in terms of time, money, and other resources. Complicated. Process of supply chain management involves a numerous complexities as it involves a several department with the organization. It may lead to create a confusion and hamper the normal functioning of business. Lack of coordination among the department. The concept of study of supply chain management functions properly only if there is a better coordination among the department. Establishing the coordination among several departments within a big corporate requires a trained and personalized staff. Supply chain management requires a qualified and a trained human resource for its effective and executive with their company. Lack of reliability. The supply chain management lacks of reliability and is completely dependent upon the model of information exchange among several departments. If there is any instance of inaccurate information sharing by any of the departments, then it will be adverse effect of performance with the supply chain. Uses of supply chain management. Customer service management processes, inventory management, procurement processes, product development and commercialization, manufacturing flow management processes, and physical distributions. Customer service management processes. A customer relationship management concerns the relation between the organization and its customers. Inventory management. Inventory management is concerned with ensuring the right stock at the right level, right place, at the right time, at the right cost. Procurement processor. Strategic plans are drawn up with the supplier to support the manufacturing flows, the management process, and the development of new products. Product development and commercialization. Manufacturing. Customers and a supplier must be integrated into the product development process in order to reduce the time to markets. Manufacturing flows management processes. The manufacturing process and produce and suppliers to the distribution channel based on the part forecast. Physical distribution. The physical distribution concerns the movement of finished good or service to the customers. For example, is like manufacturing, wholesaler, and retailers. Function of supply chain management. A supply chain management is a cross-functional approach that includes managing the movement of raw material into an organization, certain aspects of the internal processing of material into finished goods, and the movement of finished goods of the organization and towards the end consumer. As organization to focus on a core competencies become a more flexible, they reduce ownership of the raw material sources and distribution of channel. These functions are increasingly being outsourced to the other firms that can perform the activity before better or more effectively. The effects of the increase to the number of organizations involved in satisfying the customer demands. Less control and the more supply chain partner lead to a creation of the concept of supply chain management. The purpose of supply chain management is to improve the trust and the collaboration among the supply chain partner, thus improve the inventory visibility and the velocity of inventory movement. In this section, we have to communicate with all vendor suppliers that we have to take some comparison. After that, we have to place the order. I would like to conclude my service. Supply chain management is an important part of every organization. It improves the efficiency management of sources, etc. It establishes a good prominent relation between a stakeholder like supplier, customer, etc. Thank you.